problem statement is making career choices and AI-based counseling accessible to every child at secondary level along with aptitude tests and detailed career paths. The team name is Innovate. Moving on to the workflow of the project. First, the user starts the system and then the user gets to log in or register into the system. Given the sensitive nature of the student data, robust security protocols will be employed. Blockchain will be used to timestamp and provide a prevalence trail for data stored in SQL databases. And then we gather data from various sources including social media profiles, online portfolios, and academic records to build a more comprehensive profile of an individual rather than many other career prediction systems that rely on limited data sources such as resumes or self-reported information, which may not provide a comprehensive view of a person's abilities and potential. After collecting the records, the AI tool is being set up and the user gets to start the session. This system has a multilingual support, so the user can choose its preferable language or continue in the default language, that is English. Further, on selecting the multilingual support, the user gets various options to choose from. The first option is AI interview. It conducts AI-based interviews with and without camera to refine career guidance. This AI interview also detects the facial expressions of the child and the results from the facial expressions while giving the interview. A Q&A session with AI is the second option, and it allows students to interact with the AI for career-related queries. And then we also have a human counselor session wherein a certified and authenticated human counselor is available for any child just in case a child wants a completely personalized career session. And then we have an aptitude test which utilizes machine learning models to predict career paths based on the authenticated aptitude test scores. And as the problem statement says, the system is being used by the secondary students. We will be also integrating a chatbot to help user easily navigate through the project. The aptitude test will give all of its results in a PDF format, and then it will also give recommendations and personalized training for the user. As the system integrates adaptive learning algorithm, the system continuously learns from user interactions and feedback to improve its career prediction over time, staying relevant and effective. Moving on to the idea or prototype, we focus on creating an AI-powered counseling tool which offers authenticated aptitude tests and AI interviews. We integrate a real-time Q&A feature with the AI and with an option of real-time call with the human counselors for personalized advice. We do implement robust data security measures to protect student information. This system is completely user-friendly, multilingual interface to ensure wide accessibility. It incorporates various features like screen readers, voice commands, and other accessibility tools. We aim for a cost-effective, scalable solution which makes quality career counseling universally accessible. Moving on to the use cases. The use cases are login and registration, and we use blockchain for it. The user can also take a quiz, and the input preference is used to give the results. After getting the results, the user can view its career recommendation and get a detailed career path information. It also supports personalized counseling session, an interview with AI, and career path planning. The showstoppers for this system are that it's completely dependent on accurate integration of data from multiple sources, including social media and academic records. It establishes a system for user feedback and community building for support. And as we have implemented a multilingual support, it diversifies the user engagement. This system completely relies on precise machine learning models, blockchain integration for security purpose, and various accessibility tools such as voice commands and screen recorders for platform functionality. These are the team member details. Now let's move on to the prototype of the project. Moving on to the basic prototype of the solution, the user first gets to log in and register into the system. In the final solution, after completing the successful login, the user will get an option for choosing multilingual support, which will provide support for various languages to cater to a diverse user database. And then the user gets various options to choose from. We will be aggregating data from various sources, including social media profiles, online portfolios, and academic records, to build a more of a comprehensive profile of an individual rather than many other career prediction systems that rely on limited data sources. Then the user gets various options to choose from. Let's say if the user selects this option, that is career prediction using AI. This takes user input and the user gives its input based on the interest in his or her domain. After getting all the input from the user, it will recommend the user its best career path. This is the results that we get using machine learning algorithms. And then the user is directed to know more about the job roles by clicking here. Here we have integrated all the job roles, the skills required, and all the job descriptions the user gets from the result. In the final solution, we will also be giving an option for getting the results in a PDF format and then use machine learning algorithms to recommend. And then we also have various courses to choose from just in case the user is keen to learn. We have integrated a variety of domains so that the user has various options to choose from. In the final solution, the user will also get to book its appointment from a certified authenticated human counselor just in case if the user is more aligned towards getting more personalized recommendations. We also have AI interviews and it will conduct AI based interviews with or without camera to refine career guidance. We will be also providing camera controls for AI interviews, and the user will have the option to turn the camera on or off during AI interviews, ensuring user comfort and privacy. All these recommended results will be using feedback loops for continuous improvement based on user reviews. And we will be also incorporating features like screen readers, voice commands, and other accessibility tools. As the problem statement defines that this system is for secondary students, we will also be integrating a chatbot to help secondary students navigate the system, making it more user friendly. We will also be building community and support for the user. That is, we help them create an online community or forum where students can connect with peers facing similar career decisions and provide access to career counselors for additional support. In the basic prototype, we have also implemented a quiz. Let's say if the user is interested in computer programming, then he can or she can take this quiz, and the results will help the user analyze himself more into that domain. The marks of the result in the quiz will help the user analyze himself more.
This is a AI based counseling in which the person can give interview with camera on and off. The person will be asked to speak about its interest, and in without camera only the interview will be analyzed for prediction of the best career option, and in the case of camera on the facial features of the person will also be used to predict the interest of the person while speaking in the interview. As of now, we have prepared a sample prototype in which the person is going to give the interview without camera. My name is Mansi. I would like to write algorithms and do programming, and I understand it very well. I also like to explore software development. I have some interest in chemistry also, but I have more interest in coding only. Thanks. As given in the output, you might enjoy a career in engineering, possibly in fields like software, hardware, or civil engineering. It removes the chemistry as an interest because we have talked very less about the chemistry, and the person shows more interest in programming, algorithms, or software development. But also, it gives a new field, civil engineering, so that person can explore that too if he likes the things about engineering.